A prefix is injected into BGP. Router 1 sends an update message to Router 2. BGP exchanges prefix information as what is known as network layer reachability information. It consists of the prefix, insider notation, as well as the individual values, the length, and the prefix. All network layer reachability information has associated attributes. These attributes provide various types of metadata that can be used to define granular policy. This video covers the attribute called AS path. This value is currently empty. This is because the AS path is populated with the ASN of the advertising router when it is advertising to an external peer. This capture was an update message sent from router 1 to its internal peer, router 2. Here you see how the information is represented in the BGP table. Router 2 advertises the prefix to router 3 in a different autonomous system. The list of attributes has changed, but again, the star of the show is the AS path. Router 2 appended its autonomous system number of 65,000 as the route was advertised to router 3. The autonomous system number can be seen in the BGP table. The AS path has two important roles. One is as a decision-making tool in determining the best path between identical path entries. The other is loop avoidance. Loops are avoided by external peers appending their autonomous system number to a route advertised to each other. In this way, a router is able to tell when a path either originated in its autonomous system or goes through it and sees its autonomous system listed in the autonomous system path attribute. In this way, a router is able to tell that a path either originated in its autonomous system or goes through it if it sees its autonomous system number listed in the autonomous system path attribute. As it is advertised, the list of autonomous systems increases. The route ends up at router 1 that rejects it. It found its autonomous system number in the list. This behavior is quite different between internal peers. Internal peers don't append the autonomous system number. No autonomous system number appending means the default loop avoidance mechanism won't work. This is the reason that internal peers are unable to advertise routes learned from an internal peer to another internal peer.